Hi students, good morning everybody. So today we are going to see about report writing. Okay, so this carries 5 marks. So this is in your book page number 10. Okay, that is in the book back of your first prose. Okay, so let us see how to prepare a report. So listen, a report is designed to lead people through the information in a structured way and also to enable them to find the information that they want quickly and easily. It is a short, sharp, concise document which is written for a particular purpose and audience. So what is a report first of all? So a report is designed to lead people through the information in a structured way and also to enable them to find the information they want quickly and easily. Okay, so through a report people can get their needed information in a structured way, that is in a proper way, and also it enables them to find the information very quickly and easily. Okay, so it is a short, sharp, concise document. So concise document means, what is mean by concise is giving lot of information in a few words. ரொம்ப கன்சைஸாக சொல்கிறதுன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா? So like that, giving lot of information in a few words, that is called as concise. Okay, so report writing is a short, sharp, concise document which is written for particular purpose and audience. So it will be written for a particular purpose and for some particular audience. Okay, so it is called as report writing. So what is report writing means? So the report writing will contain the matter in a concise manner, that is in a short manner, and through the report we can analyze or understand the information very quickly and easily. Okay, that is called as report writing. So for what progress card is given, progress report card. Okay, it is instead of analyzing, going through all the papers, all your exam papers, all the timetables. Okay, so instead of that, just if we are seeing the progress card, we can understand the marks in the subject and what is the total, what is the rank, what is the attendance. So it is a short report. Okay, it is a report which gives everything in a short manner, brief manner. Okay, so now let us see the format of a report. So how to write a report? What is the format of a report? So first of all we have to write the title of the report. Okay, first of all what should be written? The title of the report should be written. Next one is report writer's name. Okay, we have to write who is writing the report. Suppose if Kumar is writing the report, the name should be mentioned as Kumar. Okay, then what? For what we are writing the report? So name of the event, when, day and time of the event. So when it happened, that is day and time of the event. Where it happened, venue means place. So where it happened, why. So for why that event held, why that event was held, that is the purpose of the event. Who. So who is the chief guest who attended the function or event or whatever celebration or inauguration, whatever it is. Who is the chief guest who attended? Then how. The details of the event like program, its impact, etc. So all the details of the event. Next, use simple sentences in the past tense. So it is one of the very important point. We have to use simple sentence. Simple sentence na it is not simple compound complex. adukku nama pola. So the meaning of the sentence should be, the sentence should be simple, that its meaning should be understood very easily. Okay, so like that we have to use simple sentences in past tense. So what tense we have to use is, we have to use past tense. Okay, be brief. The report, brief means short. So the report should be short. Be brief. Do not exaggerate the event. So exaggerate na enna, அந்த என்ன சொல்கிறது, ரொம்ப ஓவராக ஓவராக எக்ஸாகரேட் பண்ணி சொல்லக்கூடாது. ஓகே, ஸோ அங்கே ஒரு ஆக்சிடெண்ட் நடந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா அங்கே ஒரு ஆக்சிடெண்ட் நடந்துச்சு, 10 பேர் இறந்துட்டாங்க அப்படி தான் சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா. அதே ஓவராக எக்ஸாகரேட் பண்ணி சொல்கிறதுனா எப்படி, ஒரு பயங்கர ஆக்சிடெண்ட், more than 10 were killed, many were injured, கை உடைஞ்சு போயிடுச்சு, கால் உடைஞ்சு போயிடுச்சு, like that we should not exaggerate the event. Okay, so this is the format of a report. So the important thing is we have to use the simple sentence in past tense. So don't forget, always we have to use past tense in report writing. So why we have to use past tense in the report writing? Listen, the title itself is report writing. So எப்போ நம்ம report எழுதுவோம், when an event is finished, when it is completed, we will be writing the report. So கம்ப்ளீட்டான ஒரு ஈவெண்ட்டுக்கு நம்ம ஒரு ரிப்போர்ட் எழுதும்போது என்ன டென்ஸ் யூஸ் பண்ணோம், definitely we have to use the past tense. See, for example, you are getting the progress card. எப்போ progress card report கிடைக்குது உங்களுக்கு, after finishing the exam. So முடிஞ்சு போன ஒரு ஈவெண்ட்டுக்கு தான் we will be writing a report. So always we have to use past tense, simple past tense in writing the report. Okay, now let us see an example and let us see how this format matches the example. See, here is a sample report. Sample means an example report on the annual sports day of a school. Observe the format and the language used. Okay, so here a sample report is given. So what is the report writing is about is, it is about the annual sports day of a school. Or school la nadanda annual and sports day. Okay, so let us go through the report first. So listen in your book or listen in the phone itself. So listen properly. Annual Sports Day by Charan 10C. So what is given here? First we have to write the title of the report. So what is the title of the report? Annual Sports Meet. Okay, Annual Sports Day. So what is the next thing? Report writer's name. So what is the report writer's name here? Charan and his designation 10C. Okay, so report writer's name should be there. So these two should be in the top. You can write it in the bold letters. Okay, nalla or bold letters la eduthalam, so that it will be very neat to see. Okay, next see. Government Higher Secondary School, Hosur organized the annual sports day on August 29, 2018. The event was to inculcate the spirit of sportsmanship and fondness for sports in children. Approximately 1,000 students participated in the track and field events. The program began with a prayer rendered by the school choir. Following this, the headmaster delivered the welcome speech. The sports day was inaugurated by the chief guest, followed by march past, led by the school captain with a placard bearing the school's name and motto. Then the much awaited track and field events began. As the events went by, the school campus reverberated with enthusiastic cheers from the spectators. Many new school level records were made in 500 meters, 1000 meters and 200 meters races. The merit and participation certificates were given away by the chief guest and the guests of honor. In his speech, the chief guest praised the endeavors of the school. Then the headmaster proposed the vote of thanks. The event ended with the national anthem. Okay, so this is the report. See, listen, I'll explain you now. Government Higher Secondary School. So where is that school? It is in Hosur. Okay. Organized the annual sports day on August 29, 2018. So what is the event? Annual sports day. So what is the date? On August 29, 2018. So நம்ம என்ன பார்த்தோம் ஃபார்மேட்டில், day and time should be mentioned பார்த்தோம் இல்லையா. So day and time should be mentioned na miss here day is mentioned, where is the time அப்படி நீங்கள் கேட்கலாம். So for all the report it is not necessary that both should be mentioned. So இங்கேயும் நம்ம மென்ஷன் பண்ணால் it is nothing wrong. Okay, but எல்லாத்துக்கும் ரெண்டுமே சூட்டபிளாக இருக்காது. For some things day itself will be enough, for some reports time itself will be enough, and for some other reports both day and time will be needed. Okay, like that we can use according to the need, but anyhow at least one should be there or both should be there according to the title, according to the necessity. Okay, so the event was to inculcate the spirit of sportsmanship and fondness for sports in the children. So what is the purpose of the event? So format la enna irukku, purpose of the event, why the purpose of the event irukka. So what is the, see here, so title of the report is mentioned, report writer's name is mentioned, what name of the event, annual sports meet, day and time August 29 2018, where, venue, where is the venue, the place is Government Higher Secondary School Hosur. Why, what is the purpose means, the purpose was to inculcate the spirit of sportsmanship and fondness for sports in the children. So எதுக்காக இதை ஆர்கனைஸ் பண்ணாங்க அப்படின்னா, to induce the spirit of sportsmanship and fondness, so ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸோட இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் ஸ்போர்ட்ஸில் இன்க்ரீஸ் பண்ணணுங்கிறதுக்காக that event was organized. Okay, that is the purpose of the event. So approximately 1000 students participated in the track and the field events. So 1000 students participated in the events. The program began with a prayer rendered by the school choir. School choir means all the school children, group of people, group of children. Okay. Following this, the headmaster delivered the welcome speech. So the headmaster delivered the welcome speech. The sports day was inaugurated by the chief guest, followed by march past led by the school captain. Okay, so who inaugurated? So chief guest inaugurated the sports day. Okay, so followed by the march past. So after the inauguration of the sports day by the chief guest, என்ன பண்ணாங்க, they have done march past. So led by the school captain with a placard. So placard means a large written or printed notice, ஒரு பேனர் மாதிரி ஆர் ஒரு போர்டு மாதிரி, அதில் என்ன பிரிண்ட் பண்ணியிருந்தது, the school's name and the motto of the school. Okay, that is called as placard. A large board or banner அந்த மாதிரி முன்னாடி எடுத்துட்டு வருவாங்க இல்லையா, that is called as placard. Then the much awaited track and the field events began. So as the events went by, the school campus reverberated with enthusiastic cheers from the spectators. Spectators means viewers, that is the audience, and reverberated means what is repeated several times. Okay, so with enthusiastic cheers. Enthusiastic cheers means happy applause or happy with happy sounds. Okay, so the school campus echoed with happy cheers from the spectators. Spectators means viewers. Many new school level records were made in 500 meters, 100 meters and 200 meters races. So many school level records were made in all the running events. The merit and participation certificates were given away by the chief guest and the guest of honor. Okay, the merit certificate and the participation certificates were given by whom? By the chief guest and other guests of honor. In his speech, the chief guest praised means appreciated. Okay, praised the endeavors of the school. So endeavors means, what is that? Working very hard or trying very hard to achieve something. Okay, so the chief guest in his speech, he had appreciated the hard work of the school to make the students to participate and win in many events. Okay, then the headmaster proposed the vote of thanks. So finally the headmaster delivered the vote of thanks. The event ended with the national anthem. So finally at last the event ended with the national anthem. Okay, so this is the report. So ஒரு annual sports day எப்படி நடந்தது அப்படின்னு நம்ம கேட்டோம்னா ஒரு பெரிய ஸ்டோரியே சொல்லலாம். Okay, so but same thing was contained in this report very shortly. Okay, this is how you have to prepare the report. See, now let us see whether it had fulfilled all the condition for writing the format of a report. See, title of the report was given. What is the title? Annual Sports Day. Report writer's name. Who is the report writer? Charan, and you have to mention the designation, that is class. Charan, school people leader or school leader or class leader or Charan 10C, like that. Okay. What? So what is the name of the event? Annual Sports Day. When it held? August 29, 2018. That is the day. Where it held? It was held in the Government Higher Secondary School, Hosur. Okay. Then why? What is the purpose of the event? It is to inculcate the spirit of sportsmanship and fondness for sports in the children. So who is the chief guest? So yaro or chief guest vandirukanga, they didn't mention the name, so anyhow chief guest was there. How? The details of the event, like program, its impact, etc. So what is the details of the event? So the sports day was inaugurated by the chief guest, and headmaster delivered the welcome speech. So the program actually began with the prayer, then headmaster delivered the welcome speech. Sports day was inaugurated by the chief guest. After that it was followed by the march past, and track and the field events had held. So the school campus entirely was very happy. Many participants won in 500 meter, 100 meters and 200 meters. The certificates were distributed, and finally the chief guest gave a speech, and the headmaster proposed the vote of thanks, and the event ended with national anthem. So in the howங்கிற part தான் it will be explaining all the things, what are the details of the event. Okay, next use simple sentence. So in the paragraph la pathina entirely they will be using simple past tense. Okay, be brief. So it is short, should not exaggerate the event, so there is no exaggeration. Okay, so this is the format of the report. This is how you have to prepare the report. You can write this title and the name or stylish letters la kuda eludhalam or bold ah kuda eludhalam, so that it will be very neat to look. Okay, see, some exercise were given for you. Write a report of the following events in about 100 to 120 words. See, what is the first question? Educational Development Day was organized in your school on 15th July. The district collector was the chief guest of the event. As part of the event, many competitions were held and the prizes were distributed to the winners and participants. It was a grand and successful event. Now, as the member of the organizing committee, write a report on the event in about 120 words. Okay, so what is that? Educational Development Day was organized. See, avangale inna tense la dhaan kuduthirukanga, they have given in past tense. So in a school on 15th July, who is the chief guest? The district collector was the chief guest. As a part of the event, many competitions were held and the prizes were distributed to the winners and the participants. It was a successful event. Now who are you? நீங்க தான் அந்த எஜுகேஷனல் டெவலப்மெண்ட் டே, ஓகே, அதை ஆர்கனைஸ் பண்ண கமிட்டியோட மெம்பர். ஓகே, யூ ஆர் ஒன் ஆஃப் த மெம்பர் ஆஃப் த ஆர்கனைசிங் கமிட்டி. ஸோ write a report on the event in about 120 words. So you have to prepare a report for this in about 120 words. You can use the above hints. Okay, see the next one. You are the school people leader. Okay, you are the leader for your school. Adha school people leader. You have been asked to write a report on the inaugural ceremony of English Literary Association of your school. Inauguration அப்படினா என்னன்னா துவக்கி வைக்கிறதுன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா, that is called as inauguration, inaugural. Okay, of a school which was held recently, write a report on the same in not more than 120 words. So you are the school leader. So in the people na enna meaning student. Okay, you are the leader for your school students. You have been asked to write a report on the inaugural ceremony of English Literary Association of your school which was held recently. So recent நடந்த inaugural ceremony. எதோட inaugural ceremony? What is the function? In English Literary Association. Inauguration of English Literary Association. So அது ரீசெண்டாக நடந்திருக்கு. So they have not mentioned the date and time and all. You can use any date from the past. நீங்களே பாஸ்ட்ல இருந்து ஒரு டேட் சூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். Okay. So what is the third question is, you are the coordinator of the science forum of your school. An event had been organized on account of National Science Day for the members of the forum. Now write a report on the observation of National Science Day at your school. Okay, so you are the coordinator of the science forum of your school. Okay, you are the coordinator of the science forum in your school. An event had been organized on account of National Science Day for the members of the forum. So ஒரு event organize பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. Now write a report on the observation of National Science Day. So National Science Day உங்கள் ஸ்கூலில் எப்படி நீங்கள் பண்ணீங்க, what event you had arranged and how it was celebrated. Okay, so from that you have to prepare and write a report. Okay, so one is given for your example. You can go through the format of the report, you can go through the example given for you, and then you can prepare a report for the remaining 3. Okay, hope everyone of you have understood. It is simple. The important thing you have to keep in the mind is you have to write the entire thing in the past tense. You should not use present tense or future tense, then it will be wrong. Okay, you have to entirely use the past tense from the beginning to the end. Okay, hope everyone of you have understood. Thank you.